Hi people, welcome back to Hey Bartender. My name is Gustavo Rojas, your personal bartender is still here at the kickoff of the bar at the Badal's house. And obviously the guests that start piling up, they're ready to have something to drink. And what a better way to actually do something than an amazing and really delicious white sangria. Okay, so please stay here with me. Let me show you how we're gonna be making this refreshing beverage for all of you that love wine. All right, so how are we gonna start doing this, guy? Super easy, really simple, guys. Nothing to be worried about. The only thing that you have to do is get lots of fruits. Right here, I'm gonna have some peaches, a little bit of a mango, blackberries, raspberries, and strawberries, chopped up a little bit in different sizes. So let's start like putting a little bit on our nice pitcher. Some blackberries, some raspberries, the strawberries, we got a little lemon in there. So we're gonna make this thing very tropical and fruity. Okay. All right. So any orange liqueur. You wanna do triple sec? Sure, it's okay. You can put your hands on this one, the Patron Citron, or you wanna use the a little bit of Grand Marnier, or you prefer to use a Control. That'll be fine, you guys. So we're gonna add 2 healthy ounces of your orange liqueur. And then what we're gonna be doing is equal amounts of Chardonnay. And whatever your choice is on Espumante. Champagne, dry American champagne, Prosecco, it is up to you. Thank you. Regarding the sugars, remember that you're gonna have a lot of sugar, kind of like a munching in the actual fruit. But if you want to do a rectification, what you can do is add just like a 3/4 of an ounce or half of an ounce of simple syrup. Just to increase the sweetness on it. Rectify your sugar again. There we go. This guy is gonna be ready to be served. Put a little bit of ice. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna be preparing your glass. Remember, start with a couple ice cubes on the bottom. Then put your garnish around the actual glass. A peach here, a mango there, blackberry over here. Fill it up. We're ready to serve. And there you have it, you guys. Time to go outside to the pool and enjoy your delicious white sangria. Enjoy the summer, you guys. Drive safe, please. And remember, if you drink, don't drive. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Cheers.